In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew Zoho Books subscription. By the end, you'll confidently navigate to the right place, choose the plan that fits your needs, and complete the renewal without any surprises. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage billing and have a valid payment method ready. Start on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your home base, where you see your financial overview. If you're working in multiple organizations, confirm you're in the correct one before moving on. From here, look for the settings icon, typically a gear in the top right corner. Click it to open the settings area. This is where Zoho groups account level controls, and it's the quickest path to your billing options. Inside settings, select Manage Subscription. This takes you to the subscription management page. Here you'll see your current plan, its renewal date, and available options. It's a good idea to glance at your current usage, things like the number of users, invoices, or advanced features you rely on, so you pick a plan that matches how you actually work. Next, choose the plan you want and click Upgrade with the one you want. Even if you're simply renewing the same tier, this button is how you confirm the next billing cycle. Take a moment to compare monthly versus yearly pricing, because annual plans can offer savings if you're comfortable committing for a longer period. If you're upgrading mid-cycle, Zoho typically prorates charges, so the amount you see may reflect a credit for unused time on your current plan. Double-check the currency and applicable taxes, so the total aligns with your expectations. Finally, complete the confirmation. Review the order summary carefully, including the plan name, billing frequency, and total amount due. Make sure your billing address and payment method are accurate and up to date. When everything looks right, proceed to confirm. Depending on your bank, you might be asked to authenticate the payment. Wait for the success screen to load. You should then see your subscription status updated to active with the new term applied. After confirming, keep an eye out for a confirmation email with your invoice and renewal details. If the change doesn't appear immediately on the dashboard, give it a moment and refresh. If you don't have access to manage subscription, you may need an administrator to complete these steps for you. And remember, interface labels can vary slightly based on region or updates, but the flow remains the same. Dashboard, settings, manage subscription, choose your plan, and confirm. That's all it takes to renew your Zoho Books subscription smoothly.